Wakazi wa kaunti ya Siaya wamejitokeza wazi na kumkashifu vikali naibu gavana wa kaunti hiyo ambaye ni William Odoul kwa madai kuwa anavuruga uongozi wake James Orengo ambaye ni gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya. Wamemwomba pia spika wa bunge hilo la kaunti hiyo kuweka mswada wa kumwondoa William Odoul toka kwa mamlaka kama naibu gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya.
Yes, wanapaka wingine mwanamke msafara matendo na royo Uganda jo lego usonga bagingor mapek mokala kalo roto duocho anaja niko uwe kado na masiaya.
God knew very well that this is not a leader. And that is why he never allowed Odoul to be the governor and Rasanga took it. So God, we thank you very much. This is one leader that we must stop. We are asking the government. We know that Odoul is dining with the UDA. We are not afraid to tell you that. But we want to remind you that before you go to the MP, come and kill 80,000 electors of Alego Songa. Before you come and start disturbing Alego Songa, saying that you are the person who is representing Alego Songa, please come back to the people. We want to ask the governor that the governor, we are the one who gave you this gentleman from Alego Songa. We the people of Alego Songa, today we are rejecting him because he wants to kill the honorable MP. Please, we are asking the county commissioner and all the directors of security that we are not taking this one lightly. If there is one thing we won't take lightly, it's anything that touches the life of Samuel Onunga Atandi.
First and foremost, we want to condemn with the strongest term possible the illicit intention by the deputy governor that he has alleged to assassinate and kill the precious life of Honorable Samuel Onunga Atandi. This thing should not be taken for granted. And we want to warn Deputy Governor that as we know him as people of Alego Songa, first of all, he is a perennial election loser. He has never won an election in the ballot. Number two, William Odoul must know that through the struggle and the strive of Samuel Onunga Atandi, he got the opportunity to be the deputy governor of Siaya. And what is inching him, we have known. We've digged it so deep. And we've known that he wants to loot the public coffers of Siaya County. And Atandi merely is the stumbling block. So this is his plan and tricks that he is planning to eradicate or eliminate everybody that stands or blocks his way to loot public funds will not be tolerated and will not be accepted. Another message that we want to send the message to the governor of Siaya, Honorable James Orengo, that we want to tell you that you are keeping a beast in your office. A person who is planning to kill an MP when blocks him from stealing public coffers, he is a person who can kill you, the same you governor, to clinch into your power where you are sitting. And it is high time that you must tread carefully. If you don't tread carefully, tomorrow we will tell you that we told you these things earlier before. We warned you, but you never took them serious. Another word we want to send to the County Assembly of Siaya, which is headed by the Speaker Okode, that this is the high time you must pitch this incredible person called William Odoul. You have no reason to leave Odoul in the office. Because this guy is at your hand. It is through your office that we can get all these resolutions. You should impeach Odoul as early as yesterday. Because this is a guy that is bringing all this stubbornness in the county government of Siaya by the name that he has realized some sorts of incredibility in the Siaya system. But what we've come to realize of late is that William Odoul, where were you sometimes back when Siaya County public funds were looted and people were seeing? Why are you just making noise right now? Because you've seen that recently the county government realized that you went to pick some funds from the contractors in that they can bribe you so that you can give them the contract, tender contracts. William Odoul Denge, you must refrain, you must desist, you must run away from this politics of anarchy. Say the voice of people of Lagos Songa. Thank you.